2013 Dodge Ram 2500. Not much to see because it's all covered up. Headlights are gone, grill is gone, all of that good stuff. And because I bought the truck, well, not the way you see it, but with a couple damages. Not the whole hood, but majority of the right side of the hood was dinged up pretty badly. Nothing too major, just a lot of dings. As you can see, there's two right there on the driver's side. The dings came from a tree that fell on this car. You can see the windshield is pretty beat up, so I'm actually gonna get that replaced tomorrow for one hell of a deal. This whole side of part of the roof was pretty dinged up, and again, nothing where it needs to be replaced. It was just dinged from the tree hitting it, or the branches of the tree. I think the heaviest part was on the windshield, so you can see right there where it landed on the truck. I can show you, by the way, it's super cold outside. You can see right there, that's another pretty good hit that was in the bed. So a lot of people are, I don't want to say a lot of people, but some would change the whole bed for this thing. I would not. So I tried, my best to kind of fix it. It still has a little bit wavy here and there, but I quoted a guy, a body man, and he wanted to replace the whole hood, or not, yeah, the whole hood and the whole roof. And I told him that it's not where to the point where it needs to be replaced, just fixed. And him quoting me just on the fixing part, he wanted around $5,000. So with me being a do-it-yourself kind of guy, I thought about just doing it myself. There was this technically is just a rough idea of what you're seeing. This is not even close to being finished. So it took me around 3 days of just putting fiberglass, Bondo, sanding the whole, Bondo, putting Bondo again, sanding it until where, I got it to how I would like it, or acceptable in a way. So there was a little bit of a damage here, nothing big as well here, and you can see that from the shadow, as I told you, I'm not done. See that little ding, and that's how it was on the other side. So right here you can see that little ding. This was also dinged up, and you can see these right here. So this is technically what the other side was looking like. It was kind of like if you would have a hail damaged car, but it wasn't hail damaged, it was from a tree falling down on the car. This was actually a rental car from a company that I don't want to say. I don't know if I would get in trouble or not, but let me open the door and show you the whole mess inside. So I literally junked the whole car out, bare bone, took the seats out, carpet out, everything, because if you ever worked with Bondo, it will stain everything. And that's not technically the reason why I did all of this, because the car was sitting outside in the rain for very, very long time. For I don't know why. There's that opening right there, the whole glass is opened, and all of that stuff. Water actually came into the carpet and the seats, and I had to remove them and give them a really, really good wash. So I actually did that, and they turned out pretty good. The only reason I'm doing this video for you guys, well, to give you a clue of where I got this, but there is going to be a lot to do. These are the headlights, by the way, and you can see that they're kind of thinking about doing is opening the headlight and actually fixing whatever's causing that water to go inside, and actually painting the inside headlight white to go with the car. Another thing that I would be doing is doing a leveling kit. As you can see, well, actually you cannot see, but the car is very low for what it is, for being a Dodge Ram 2500. At 2.5 to I think 3-inch would be the max that I would go, but I have to see. So 2.5 would be where I would want the truck to sit. And also I will be doing some aftermarket wheels as well. I'm not a fan of these chrome wheels at all. So there's a couple videos that'll be coming up for the truck. I'll be doing a video for the headlights, opening them up and then painting them. I don't know if I want to do it while I'll be painting the car. It's just Kansas City weather hasn't been the greatest, you know, for me, because of course I don't have a huge garage, and it's not much of a help when the temperatures don't want to, you know, go up higher than 20 degrees. So stay tuned for this project, and hopefully you guys like it, and I'll show you what kind of rims I would like. And if you guys have any ideas of the leveling kits that I should go for the 2.5, let me know down below.